We're Sarah and Kate, and this is everything we did on our week aboard P&O's Iona, visiting Stavanger, Ålesund, Olden and Haugesund for our first Norwegian Fjords cruise. Our final day on board was spent relaxing. We were exhausted from trying to fit in as much as possible, so had a slow morning before going to the olive grove for lunch. There is so much to do on the ship that you're really spoiled for choice. With the sun shining, we did a little sunbathing, had an afternoon nap, and then packed and put our large case outside our door to be collected. We kept a single carry-on which held all we needed for our last night and morning on board. For dinner, it was of course Sindu. We tried some different dishes this time, and it remains our favourite restaurant on board Iona. If you're considering specialty dining, just be aware it will last longer than a meal in the main dining room, and we suggest you allow 2 hours for each specialty restaurant, so you're not pushed for time if you've got entertainment or something booked after. For our final evening, we had the 7:10 Club booked. This fills so quickly, and everyone we've spoken to raves about this. We really wish we'd managed to get another slot earlier in the week because it did live up to the hype. There was a 90s set, some jazz, and although the venue is small, we really loved it. Heading back to our room, we checked our disembarkation time and went through the printed bill to make sure it was all correct. In the morning, we got changed, packed our last little carry-on and went to the main dining room for breakfast. We had to leave our rooms by 8 AM since the cleaning crew have to turn them around quickly for the next guests to board. Leaving the ship was a fast and easy process, joining a queue to sign out and then collect our baggage. Unfortunately, it was a little difficult to get out of the terminal because it was pouring with rain and some people were blocking entrances. We got absolutely drenched while waiting to pick up our car, already missing the blue skies from our week at sea, and left the port. If you've got any questions, leave us a comment below and like and subscribe for more videos like this.